Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Today we are going to study how to find the equivalence capacitance when multiple capacitors are connected in parallel. So let's take this example here. So I have these capacitors connected in parallel, C1, C2, C3, C4, and you can consider any number of capacitances or capacitors. That's why I have marked it as a dot 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 and Cn. Okay, so by formula, how you find out the equivalence capacitance is, like, if you can see here, I have written C1, C2, C3, Cn are connected in parallel. So equivalence capacitance C equivalent will be given by this expression, which is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus dot 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 plus Cn. N can be any value. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 100 or 1000 or anything. You just need to do is just add the capacitance values when these capacitors are connected in parallel. So to understand in a better way, let's consider one example. So here, instead of writing C1, let's take an actual value of capacitors. Let's say C1 is equal to 1 farad, C2 is equal to 2 farad, C3 is equal to 3 farads, C4 is equal to 4 farad, C5 is equal to 5 farad, and let's say N is like total number of capacitors connected in this circuit are 5, right? So by above formula, how can we write is equal to C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5, because there are only 5 capacitances we have considered. So just add these capacitances and you will find the value will be 15 farad. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 15 farads. So equivalent capacitance is equal to 15 farad. It is very simple, as you can see. So what you can conclude is, when capacitances are or capacitors are connected in parallel, the equivalent capacitance will be the algebraic sum of all the individual capacitances, C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus dot 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 Cn. And obviously, since this equivalence capacitance is the addition of all capacitances, so the value of equivalent capacitance will be always higher than the maximum value of the capacitance present in the circuit. What does that mean? So see here, what is the maximum value of capacitance that we considered in this example is 5 farad, right? This is the maximum value of capacitance. So the equivalent capacitance will always be higher or greater than this value, or the maximum capacitance in the circuit, which is true here because 5 farad is lesser than 15 farad or 15 farad is greater than 5 farad. This is what we have to understand. So let me know if you have any doubts in this concept. If you need any more details, please connect me. Please add your doubts in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.